When many people picture Africa, one image often comes to mind: mud houses. But is that really how Africans live today? Or is the reality much more complicated? Let us find out. Yes, mud houses are real. Millions of people across Africa still live in homes built from mud, clay, and other natural materials. In fact, these homes have existed for centuries and are still common in many rural communities. This is one I recently visited here in northern Ghana. At first glance, some people assume mud houses exist because people have no other choice. But that is not always true. Mud is inexpensive, widely available, and surprisingly practical. These walls naturally stay much cooler than concrete during the hottest parts of the day, making them well suited to the local climate. But here is something many people don't realize. Africa is home to more than 1.5 billion people living in 54 different countries. While some families live in traditional mud houses like these, millions of others live in modern houses, apartments, and cities filled with office buildings, shopping centers, and highways. So do Africans really live in mud houses? Yes, many do, but that isn't the whole story. Africa isn't one village, one city, or one way of life. It is an incredibly diverse continent where traditional homes and modern skylines exist side by side. And that is one of the things I enjoy most about exploring it. I'm Kojo. I've traveled across the world, and I break down simple questions about different countries so you can understand how things really work.